The cosmos held its breath. For 3 days, darkness claimed a victory it hadn't earned. But history wasn't ending. It was being rewritten.
On Earth, the ground shook, but the real earthquake was in the hearts of the broken.
He wasn't a memory. He was alive.
Do you have anything to eat? Come and have breakfast.
And then, with the dust of Earth still on his feet, he gave a command that would rattle empires. Go into all the world. But what happened when he arrived home? Heaven did not welcome a defeated martyr. It exploded in worship for a conquering king.
He didn't leave Earth empty-handed. From the throne of heaven, he poured out his very breath, the Holy Spirit, the same power that raised Jesus.
They couldn't stop it. Rome couldn't crush it. The grave couldn't hold it. The resurrection turned hiding cowards into world changers. Today, the tomb is still empty. The throne is still occupied. And the story is still being written. The God who conquered death isn't watching you from a distance. He is reigning in power, and he is calling your name.